This video will cover the Vertiv DSView solution IPIQ installation. Once the physical connections have been made between the IPIQ, the manager, and the target device, log into the management platform, whether that be the MP1000 or the RM1048, so you can view and configure the IPIQ target. Once logged in, under the appliance view, you should be able to see the target devices. Select the IPIQ target, and a pop-up menu should appear on the right-hand side. When you select the IPIQ target, a pop-up menu will appear on the right-hand side, and you'll have the following options. You can configure the device properties. You can configure the network settings for DHCP or a static address. You can configure user access and authentication, and also the IPIQ settings. To configure the network settings of the IPIQ through the management interface, select the pencil icon to edit the network configuration. From here, you can select the DHCP tab or switch over to the static tab and input the desired IP address, the prefix length, the gateway, and then select Save. To open a session to the IPIQ, on the Appliance View page, you can scroll all the way to the right and select the Launch KVM Session icon. Or you can select the device and open the pop-up menu and select the Launch Session icon at the top. This concludes the setup and installation of the Vertiv DSView solution IPIQ.